Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable Spatial Scene on Photos app on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Apps. Now in this section, just open the Photos app. Now at the bottom of this page, you'll find the option of Control for creating spatial photos. Now just enable this toggle. Now once you enable this toggle, just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now from here you will find this icon on the photos which support Spatial Scene. Now on the photos that do not support Spatial Scene, you will not find this icon. Just like that. As you can see, this photo does not support Spatial Scene. That is why it does not have the Spatial Scene icon over here. And this is how you can enable Spatial Scene on Photos app on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.